Hello everyone, it's been a while since my new fish addition to my Waterbox tank, and today is an exciting day for me as I introduce a new member to my Waterbox 50-gallon family. Some of you guys may already know this tank has been traveling for 2 years now, and today we have a special guest joining us, the yellow chorus wrasse. I've been eagerly waiting for this moment. Adding a new fish to the tank is always a thrilling experience. I've taken the necessary precautions to ensure a smooth transition for our new friend. The water parameters have been adjusted to match its previous environment, ensuring a seamless acclimation process. It's been a week since the introduction, and I'm thrilled to see how well our yellow chorus wrasse has adapted. It's been exploring every corner of the tank, its vibrant colors shimmering under the water sliding. The existing fish like the playful clownfish, bristletooth tomini tang seem to have accepted their new tank mate, except the damselfish still being aggressive sometimes. I'm absolutely delighted with how this yellow chorus wrasse has settled in. It has quickly become an integral part of this tank community, adding a burst of color and energy to the tank. For our additional tank update, I finally ditched the filter sacks that came with this tank and printed a filter holder to replace the filter sacks. With this filter holder, I can properly place a small piece of sponge filter that I can easily clean every week without worrying about clogging the filter sacks. The water flow is even better, and the water level in the display area is now much lower. And of course, I also printed one for the other side.
In Japan for 10 days.
After printing the sponge holder, I also printed some probe holder for pH and temperature for my Apex Junior. I got the model from Thingiverse and resized the hang-on dimension a bit larger to match the Waterbox tank glass thickness. And also, I can also use it for other stuff. So lastly, I also printed a dosing tube holder. This model can hold 4 dosing tubes. And again, I resized the hang-on dimension to match my Waterbox glass. Now I don't need to use those paper clips to hold those tubes. That's it for this update. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.